Okay, welcome, brother. So uh, some of my click worker face a channel challenge. Sorry, like Christian, he faced a challenge where he can't register after the assessment to the UHRS. So, especially this video is for Christian, but I am making this video for everyone also. So I can see that you can I can see that Christian sent me some screenshot, and all the steps are clearly visible here. At the step 1, you need to test whether you are currently logged in into your live.com ID. That means whenever you enter Windows 10, if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 7, especially Windows 10, you have you already register with live.com. So it is a Microsoft account and live.com. So by default you are logged into the live.com. So here we can see in the step 1 that click here to test whether you are currently logged in. So if you click into this link, then you can see that whether you are already logged into the live.com or you are out of live.com. Okay, then in case of Christian, he has two pre defined Hotmail and Outlook ID. He can choose any of them, and he need to note down the Outlook or Hotmail ID. And after that, at the step 3, to connect the click worker and the live.com, he has to click here to start your live.com registration. He should click this link. He can register for outside from click worker by using the live Google live.com registration page, but to connect the click worker with the live.com, he needs to click only that link, only that blue color link. After that, I can see that on the login page, create free account. After clicking that link, he is redirected to the live.com, and there is an option of create free account. Then he have to enter the selected email, that is the Outlook email or the Hotmail email, which he already noted down, and continue with the rest of sign up form. So so instructions are there to fill up the sign up form, and all the profile data and all the information he need to provide. And after registration, a message will appear asking for the click worker app to get permission. So if you already click worker app to get permission to access the live.com, so you need to allow the permission so that click worker app can also access the live.com platform. And after that, at the step 6, the last step, the user need to enter the live ID email address twice, and after that he has to click the next or whatever this is. So I can't see what is written here, but he has to click the right hand button. So this is the procedure. Okay, so I hope Christian will register for the live.com and he is able to use the UHRS platform. Thank you. If you like this video, you can press the like button, and you can share this video to other users also. Thank you.